taking life in stride. Cat's on the prowl in the dark night, sneaking real low, avoiding the light, dashing past doors in a silent flight. Gonna catch those feet with feral might. Behind the trash can, she makes her stand, eyes like daggers, a mischievous plan, ready to pounce wherever she can. This ain't no kitten, she's a wild one. Shadow prowler, moving with grace, making a game of this quiet space. Leap on the piano, cat's in the place. Sneak attack leaves a fleeting trace. Under the table, hidden in the dark, silent as shadows, no need for bark. Feet walk by, unaware of the lark that's waiting to strike and leave a mark. Quiet whispers and quick little feet, all of a sudden a tactical feat. From corner to corner, swift and discreet, a master in shadows, impossible to beat. Shadow prowler, moving with grace, making a game of this quiet space. Leap on the piano,